What's going on, members? Here we are onto my YouTube channel, and I'd like to thank you all for showing up onto this beautiful, amazing channel that I do have just for you. It's your boy someone to be. Obviously, I'll just come back with valuable information, and on today's day we are going to be speaking about a pair that I recently fell in love with. I've been trading this pair for years. I've been like capitalizing from it and so on. But I just recently discovered some of the things about some more details about it, and I learned so much about it in a short period of time. And not only that, I was able to also tell more like most profits within like a short period of time trading it. So it felt exciting, it became like close to one of those favorite pairs and so on. So I wanted to speak about GBPJPY and the trade breakdown of it, and also some of the trades that I took along the week, the 2 weeks ago and so on, just so we can be able to speak about how we were able to capitalize and so on. And also you'll be able to see how I'm seeing it moving forward, some trade analysis of GBPJPY. So currently I am in Euro JPY. Yeah, I took this trade with the members, the premium guidance members. We had a live session and we took this trade. So I'll just see how it ends up going, but we'll speak a bit more about it as it does move forward. So GBPJPY right here. But also before we dive a bit more deep into it, I also wanted to speak a bit more about the 0 to 6 figure blueprint, because a lot of people have been asking me when is it closing, is it still there and so on. Yes, it is still there, guys, and it's going to be closing soon. I'm not too sure what the date, but it will be closing. So for only $47, literally it's only $47. Once off, you don't have to pay again. You get signals up until the 17th of October. You'll be able to get into your own dashboard where there's video materials, like videos that I have already recorded you can learn from, like videos worth over hours long, just from just videos that I've recorded that you can watch, videos that you haven't seen on YouTube obviously. And it's like me breaking down the strategy, breaking down multiple sources of income, breaking down also the mindset wise, wealth mindset and so on. So yes, it is still valid. You guys can just check it out. I don't know if you do get, like, the link will be down below in the description box. Only $47, then you'll be a part of the 0 to 6 figure the guidance team. And yeah, also just so you guys know, you can be a part of the Telegram channel that I do have. I know most of you guys are in it, so don't worry more. If you're not, just go down in the description box, check it out, be with it. And also asking me about brokers, everything is down there, guys. Like literally everything that you ask me is literally down there. If you want to know about brokers, I've got the link to the broker down there and so on. So yeah, let us jump into it. Let me not waste time speaking a bit more about that. And you can see my beautiful chair right here. My lady got me this chair. I'm super excited. It's super comfortable. Like it's just so amazing. And I actually changed my setup. I don't trade with I don't use my computer screen, my laptop as my whole, because my laptop is right here. I don't use it as my full that manages my two screens and so on. I actually use a box. I've got a box down there. I use a box that it manages the screen and so on. So it's super fast, just so when I do execute trades and everything, it doesn't play around with me. It's super fast. So I think you guys should also build your systems like looking at not only just capitalizing from the laptop side of it, but having a box and so on. But that's later in your trading career. Someone wouldn't start trading because they think that you need a box to start trading on, which we started with literally smartphones that are small. But okay, let me move right here. So let me just move a bit more to the back side so we can speak about these trades that we took here. So you can see okay, but before talking about this trade, just 3 weeks ago we closed, I think it was this move or it was this move. I closed like literally $1,500. I'll also make sure if I do have these pictures that I speak about, I'll put them there because I remember I took screenshots there. I closed $1,500 from a trade that I executed a long time ago. But also this one here was when I was implementing my strategies that I've been learning, my day trading strategies. So right here you can see I took a sell exactly years where I did sell week entry. So someone will be like, are you lying? You didn't sell, the candle didn't close it. So I took a week entry. So here stop loss was like 17 pips. Target was here. Boom, we went 4.9% within a day. Next trade was here. This one here I got missed with literally 30 pips. Because here you can see I had my sell limit. I entered with sell limits. I had my sell limit here. 5%, 90 pips stop loss, 5% trade. Doing zoom hit target, but I didn't get to be activated because of you can look, it missed me with only 30 pips. Very painful. But here obviously with that, I had my sell stop. Yeah, my sell limit went up, activated me. It nearly took me out with literally 2 pips, nearly took me out 20 pips stop loss, but I was still in, and then zoom it went down, boom, hit profits. and somehow around here it was giving me, I think, like $800. I'm not too sure, like $900 or something. But here I was actually looking to take profit at $1.8 thousand. But as soon as price started to play a bit more, I was like, okay, wait, I think I shouldn't be looking to target way too far. Let me just take profits, so like, around here. So I think I took profit somewhere around here, $800, something like that. So this was a beautiful move that I would have caught. It was maybe $1,800. But this also, I want you guys to know that, just a few weeks before, I was also taking some losses too. So there'll be a time where you do go through a stream of losses, but as long as your wins outweighs the losses, then I think that you're good to go. Because yes, I did go through those losses and stuff, but as soon as I just lose that one trade of $1,500 from that first trade that I took on GBPJPY, I closed my losses. I closed like 4 or 5 losses that I took in a row and so on. Okay, so I wanted to go out. So now today I actually did take a loss on it. I had a setup like this. Okay, today I had a setup like this. Price broke out, from a bigger structure daily time frame. It broke out. Let me just go back to it so you can see, if you guys will be able to see it. But you can see here it broke out impulsively, boom. Then I'm looking for just sells on it, man. So I was looking to just take profit here. At least then I can go a bit more to the upside with it, to sell here and take profit here. But price just shot to the upside, man. Take a look at what happened. Price just went a bit to the downside, boom, then shot all the way to the upside till somewhere around here. So it actually did reject. But today I won't be executing it because I already executed more trades for the day. And Mondays are not really good days for me. Remember, I always say that. But you can see rejection. It rejected perfectly. Next candle was engulfing, and even if you just go on the 15 minutes, you'll be able to get 15-minute correction. 15-minute correction. So I think this is also a good trade that people would be, impulse correction, next impulse to the downside, next impulse to the downside. So this is actually going to be a beautiful trade, the one that we're holding now. Hopefully, maybe if you do watch this lesson, this video, and not too late, then maybe you can still execute a trade on it. But I will also be looking for these areas to be turned into some resistance, So maybe if it does break out, boom, and then it comes back, and then it continues going down. That doesn't mean it always happens. It doesn't always happen this way. Yes, if it does happen, it's a good advantage for us. It's a good thing, but it doesn't always happen this way. One thing you should be knowing, the most important thing for us is to see that now we are moving to the downside. Impulse, correction, impulse. Hopefully, I'll just see what you guys do have, and possibly, as I did, remove these. These are still our lowest high, so it didn't break the lowest high, fortunately. So we can still go all the way down to here, take profit here. Let's see what we can be looking at. Boom, so stop here, stop loss here, right here. Then go down, first target here, 4%. Overall 5.7%. Boom, then you're good. You're good to go. You can see how when it goes down, how it shoots to the downside. So these are moves that we are looking for. So you can also be involved in such a move. So there's actually a breakdown that I wanted us to look at, to just play a bit more around, because I did learn a lot from GBPJPY in a few weeks. Like I isolated myself, I went and back tested, I learned, I done all these things, I looked at it, I traded it live and so on, and I learned so much. And I just wanted to share some of those experiences with you. Remember, my YouTube channel is all about helping you see some of the things that not most people speak about. Most people don't talk about this, most people don't show this. They're not as transparent. They just show you the winning side, they just show you the lifestyle side. They're not too transparent with their whole journey or progress. You can see from my old YouTube videos till this day that there's a lot of improvements, a lot of progress with me. There was days where I was celebrating when I made $100, but there's days where now I can close over $1,500 in a day and so on. But you can see the one thing that I'm trying to say here is that I'm trying to show you guys the process, the journey, just so you guys can be able to know that, okay, that guy is just a normal guy, an ordinary guy that's just daily doing his thing. He's just consistent on whatever that he's doing. But just make sure that you are in the Telegram group. If you're not, obviously like, subscribe. It's your boy, this one Mutupi. I don't want to be wasting any more of your time. Not only that, remember that the 0 to 6 figure blueprint course is still here. It's still running for only $67. You can be a part of it. But I'll see you guys on the next video that I'll be posting. Thank you.